Hey guys, it's me Colton, and well, I have some bad news. See, this block is very special. Special, like this stone, like it's not any stone. It's not like some stone when you go over here and you just break it and you get one piece of stone. Well, you see, this stone's special. Specialer than you'll ever see. Bam. 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 It's gonna be stuck here in my island. Forever. See? Watch. It's still there. And have I tried hitting it more than once? Don't work, boy. Well. I have one thing to say. I really wish I got stone out of that block. It would be like an infinite supply. I wouldn't need anything else. Except for something that can break it one shot.